He probably wants to eat your toes.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Mom! Oh my God!
It's the catfish. He's not doing too good. No, Grandma shouldn't play with the fish. He doesn't feel good.
Well, I'm sure it doesn't help that he was taken out of water.
No, normally he would be moving a lot faster. Oh, he's got a flu on him.
So you picked up the diseased fish.
Oh. Yeah, guts are coming out of the bottom.
Probably got licked. Could throw him to
Yes, Penny, this is the lesson of death.
Yes, at 2 years, barely 2. We're teaching about the cycle.